Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Jackie Chan Passion Town. Today we are back with you to share a very simple way of how you can make yummy homemade chicken momos. So if you like our video, do click on the like button, subscribe to the channel by clicking the bell button and share it with your family and friends. So let's get started. We've taken a pan which is heated up, to which we've added 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. You can either add sesame oil or any oil which is available at your place. We've added some finely chopped ginger and garlic. We'll just give it a quick stir. We've added a medium size onion which is finely chopped. We'll just mix them up with the ginger and garlic. Now we are adding a small bowl of grated carrot. We'll just toss them up together. A bowl of finely chopped cabbage. Mix them all. A bowl of shredded chicken. So this chicken was initially boiled and then subsequently shredded. So we added that to the pan and now we are just mixing them all well. So now friends, we are adding Masala-e-Magic, and this is something which really enhances the taste of the filling. So in case if you have it at home, do ensure that you add this, but in case if you do not have it, not to worry, you can still proceed by adding the remainder of the ingredients and it will really taste very well. We are adding half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of soya sauce and salt to taste. For all our friends who like the filling to be a little bit spicy, you can increase the quantity of the pepper powder. We'll mix all of these masalas really well with all the other ingredients in the pan. We'll add some few coriander leaves and then stir them up and switch off the gas flame and allow this mixture to cool down. Now it's time for us to start preparing our momo wraps. For that we've taken all-purpose flour which is maida, to which we've added some salt. Now we'll mix the salt along with the maida and it's time now for us to start kneading it into a very smooth dough. So we are adding some water and we'll start kneading it. There my wife has kneaded it into a smooth dough. We've taken a rolling surface and taken a small portion of the dough, and with the rolling pin we are just rolling it to make the momos wrap. The size of the momo wrap can be customized as per your preference. In case if you like small momos, you can have the wrap a bit smaller. In case if you want it to be a little bit bigger, you can make it accordingly. Now we adding the filling, and now it's time for us to start wrapping it up together so that we close up all ends. And there you go, our momo is ready. So now it's time for us to cook the momo. So for that we've taken a steamer, we've added water to it, and once the water is boiling, we'll put the steamer up a vessel which has been greased with some oil, just to ensure that the momos which we are now placing on it do not get stuck to the vessel. So we've added all of these momos. We'll allow it to cook for 10 minutes. We'll leave it on medium flame for 10 minutes. And now we see that the momos are all ready and ready to be served. So friends, do try out this simple recipe. But we all know that momos taste really good with the momo sauce. So do not worry, please look out for a new video which is of the momo sauce. So friends, thanks for watching our video and do try preparing these momos at home.